Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your Trading 212 referral link so you and your friends can earn free fractional shares. If this helps you, hit like so more traders can find it. First, make sure you have an active Trading 212 Invest account or ISA. Then open the app and tap on the Menu tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, select Get Free Shares and then Invite Friends. You'll see a Share Link button. Tap it to copy your referral link or share it directly through social media, email, or messaging apps. If you prefer, you can also invite people directly from your phone contacts. Just select Invite Contacts, allow the app to access your contacts, and start sending invites. Every friend who signs up using your link and meets the requirements will earn you both free fractional shares. And that's it. Now you can start sharing your Trading 212 referral link and earn free shares while helping your friends get started with investing. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you want me to show more tips for earning free shares on Trading 212. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.